All right, this is exercise 50, finding the vertex. So it's all about finding the vertex of quadratic graphs, quadratic formulas. We're going to use that. Now, it's important to realize with the ABC form, you use minus b divided by 2a. If you have the DE form, you can use the x coordinates, which are d and e, and then you add them, divide them by 2, and then you get the x vertex. This is also the formula for the x vertex. To get the y vertex, you need to fill it in the formula, fill this in the formula. And in the PQ form, that's why this one is so nice, it's P, comma, Q. And then you have to remember the generic formula for the PQ form is A x minus p squared plus q. And here we are moving horizontally, and this is about moving vertically. Okay, let me see if the light is proper. Yes, it is. So let's start. We're gonna start with the first formula. I think it's here. You can see it. Now, over here, we have already, it's in the PQ form. Now, you can see here that for A, the P is -3 because the generic form is minus p squared. And since it is positive, it has to be -3 because minus minus becomes plus. And then the Q is -6. So the vertex, we can write down vertex is going to be -3, -6. Now, this is a frowny. So you can visualize this if you want to make a sketch. It's a frowny, -3, -6. So this is how it's going to be. And you can even check this with the quadratic formula eventually if it has any x-intercepts, and you won't find any x-intercepts. Or we can even solve it. We don't need the ABC formula.